Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Ready to dive into an exciting project that contributes to a greener planet? Harness the power of the wind and generate your own clean energy. Wind energy is efficient, sustainable, and incredibly rewarding. Imagine building a wind turbine that powers your home. It's about saving money and taking a step towards sustainability. Free electricity, a smaller carbon footprint, and the pride of building something amazing. Contribute to a cleaner environment. With the right guidance, you can build a wind turbine. It's a fantastic learning experience to share with family and friends. Wind energy is a renewable resource waiting to be captured. It doesn't produce harmful emissions, making it key in fighting climate change. By capturing it, we reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and help protect our planet. Every small step counts. Build your own wind turbine and take control of your energy future. Gain a deeper understanding of energy systems. This guide will be your roadmap to DIY wind power. We'll provide all the information you need. We'll break down every step from planning to testing. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a beginner, this guide is for you. Roll up your sleeves and embark on an exciting journey towards energy independence. Together, we can make a difference. Before we dive into the installation, let's gather our tools and materials. Having everything ready beforehand will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Don't worry, this isn't about becoming an electrician overnight. We're here to guide you through each step. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Here's what you'll need: a well-organized workspace and a clear understanding of each component. Let's break it down. Wind turbine kit. This is the heart of the project. It includes the turbine itself, blades, and other essential components. Choose a kit that suits your energy needs. You can purchase pre-made kits online or at some hardware stores. Look for reviews to ensure you're getting a reliable product. Mounting pole or tower. This is what your turbine will stand on. The height and stability of your tower are crucial for optimal performance. You can buy a prefabricated tower or build your own from sturdy materials like steel pipe. Concrete mix. This is for securing the base of your tower. A solid foundation is essential to withstand the forces exerted by the wind on your turbine. Wiring. This connects your turbine to the charge controller and batteries. The gauge of the wire is important to handle the electrical load safely. Charge controller. This regulates the electricity coming from your turbine. It ensures that your batteries are charged efficiently and prevents overcharging. Deep cycle batteries. These store the energy generated by the turbine. They are designed to be discharged and recharged repeatedly. Inverter, optional. This converts DC power from the batteries to AC power for household use. If you plan to power standard household appliances, an inverter is essential. Basic tools: wrenches, screwdrivers, a drill, a level, a socket set, safety glasses, and work gloves. These tools will help you assemble and install your wind turbine safely and efficiently. Remember, the exact materials might vary slightly depending on the size and type of wind turbine you choose. Some kits may include additional components or require specific tools. Always refer to your kit's instructions for specific requirements. Following the manufacturer's guidelines will ensure a successful and safe setup. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the installation process. Choosing the right location for your wind turbine is crucial. A well-chosen site harnesses the wind's full potential, while a poor one leads to suboptimal performance and increased maintenance. Look for open fields, hilltops, or shorelines with consistent, strong wind currents. Higher wind speeds mean more electricity. Avoid trees, buildings, or power lines to prevent turbulence and safety risks. Clear, unobstructed areas ensure smooth operation and higher energy output. Check local regulations and obtain necessary permits. Use a wind meter to measure wind speed over time to ensure the site is suitable. Consistent wind speed measurements help predict turbine performance and energy output. Now for the exciting part: assembling the wind turbine. Follow the instructions and take your time. Lay out your parts and familiarize yourself. Work in a clear, well-lit area. Double-check your work. Ask for help if needed. Ground control to major tower, setting up your support system. Install the tower by digging a foundation hole, setting the base, and pouring concrete. Allow the concrete to cure for 24 to 48 hours. Reaching for the sky. Mounting the turbine. Mount the wind turbine onto the tower. Use appropriate safety gear. Lift the turbine using a winch. Securely attach the turbine. Align with the wind direction. The flow of energy. Wiring your system. Wire the turbine to the charge controller and batteries following color-coded instructions. Ground the system to protect against electrical surges. The moment of truth testing your wind turbine. It's time to see your hard work pay off. Double-check all wiring connections. Rotate the blades by hand. Verify power generation. Measure voltage and current. Contact an electrician if needed. Ride the wind. Your DIY energy journey begins. Congratulations! You've installed your DIY wind turbine. Reduce your impact and gain energy independence. This is just the beginning. Explore advanced topics and fine-tuning. Incorporate additional renewable sources. Embrace the wind and make a difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more DIY energy tips.